नमस्ते, मेरा नाम स्नेहा मिश्रा है और आज का जो हम टॉपिक कवर करेंगे दैट इज़ अनुस्वार एंड अनुनासिक। इसको हम अंक बिंदु और चंद्र बिंदु भी बोलते हैं। अंक बिंदु कॉल एज अनुस्वार एंड चंद्र बिंदु कॉल एज अनुनासिक। Now let's see a difference what is called Ank Bindu and what is called Chandra Bindu. So Ank Bindu is basically called the Pancham word. You know the Pancham word I have shared in my one of the reel like ka, kha, ga, ga, unga, cha, cha, ja, ja, iya, ta, ta, da, 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 ta, tha, da, da, na, and pa, pha, ba, ba, ma. So the last word letter of the row, that's called pancham word. Okay, so basically the anuswar, this is the pancham word which come as a dot on the top of the letter. When we were learning yesterday nukta, so remember when the dot come under the letter, that's called nukta, and when it comes over the letter, that's called anuswar. And anunasik is basically when the sound comes from your mouth and nose from both the side, and in anuswar it's only come from your nose. And one very big difference is there, the anuswar can be changed as per the pancham letters. Okay, sometime it can be changed at the ank bindu, like on the place of half ma, on the place of half na, but anuswar Anunasik will never change. Okay, everywhere we have to use only that Chandra Bindu, and that will always consider only one sound. Okay, when we'll separate the letter, which I will tell you with my worksheet, so you will see the difference. Okay, that we cannot change Anuswar with any letter, but Anunasik can be changed. Sorry, I did the opposite. Anuswar can be changed, but Anunasik will not be changed. Yes, I am right. Okay, so now let's see with this worksheet. So now if you will see here, this is little more big because I will see one big line will make a detailed video on Anuswar and Anunasik. Okay, but today just take a little अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस. सो व्हाट इज कॉल्ड बेसिकली स्वर के बाद आने वाला व्यंजन अनुसार कहलाता है. ओके, ये दोनों आधे अक्षर हैं जो अंक बिंदु के रूप में प्रयोग होते हैं. हियर आई हैव गिवन ओनली 2 एग्जांपल, मा एंड ना, बट इफ यू विल सी हियर दे आर बेसिकली nga, iya, na, ma. We have given the examples also with this. Okay, and it used as a matra. So अनुसार जो है और अनुनासिक दोनों ही एक मात्रा के रूप में यूज होती हैं. We use them as a मात्रा. Then for example let's see some of the example, जैसे अंदर. Now when we'll make a separation of it, जिसको हम word विक्षेद बोलते हैं, we'll see a plus na plus the plus a plus ra plus a. Now here we'll see this ra is replacing with the ank bindu. Here you will see mantra. Again here the na is replacing with it. Then we will see this kambal. Now here you see the kambal is coming on the place of ma. Here the dot is coming on the place of ma. When you will make it word vikshet, ka plus a plus ma plus a plus ba plus a. Okay, plus la plus a. So kambal. One day we'll have a detailed video on this also. Today only for making you understand I have given some and very few examples. Now one word is Ganga. Here you will see it replaced the letter nga. The pancham word ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. So that letter is replaced here. And yes, this is the only difference here. Pancham word and the Chandra Bindu, which called Anunasik, it can never be changed or convert into different letter. This is a simple like Chand, Ma, everywhere we will use like this only. And Anusar can be changed like Anga can become again dot, Ra can become dot, Na can become dot, all the Pancham letter can become, but this will not change. Okay, so far only this much. And here is a task sheet. Very simple. What will come here, here and here. Please make a separate of these later. Do a word vikshed if you can do, and show me in a comment. And Anusar and Anunasik, write a 5 words or 1 words related to Anusar and Anunasik. So this reel gone little big, I will upload this into 2 part. Okay, so you can check it, and whenever you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me in comment. And if you find I have missed something, I should add something more, or I have maybe misguided something, please do let me know. Okay, thank you so much.